Hey everybody, I'd like to invite you to my new YouTube channel, Max Model Trucks and Trailer Builders. On this channel, we do semi-trucks, regular trucks, box trucks, and also trailers. We do different stuff like LED, customize, and detail of trucks, semi-trucks, small trucks, different kind. I hope and invite you to my channel. If it's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and hit that button and you'll be notified every time a new video comes in. I hope to hear from you. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.